Lily's right on my arm. Rosie's here. It's about 11 in the morning. I just hung out in bed with the girls. My girls, yes, my babies. My little pups. Oh, yes, nothing like being licked in the morning by puppies. Rosie Root.
But empty pop bottles was all we would kill.
There you are. Girls are in their little costumes. We are in our Halloween costumes. This is Rosie. Look, it looks so cute on you, Rosie. Perfect fit. Yeah, she's not the best model, but... And then we have little Lily in her beautiful little outfit also. Right, Lily? She's like stuck. I can't move. Okay. Very nice. Very lovely. Do a twirl. No? Okay. That was really nice. Very, very model-like. And then there's Miss Rose, who's very serious at the moment. Lily's birthday is today. Lily, you turn 9, Lily. Your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. And my birthday. Together. She says, please, get the camera. Share what I made for breakfast. I saw this on one of those short videos. And it's just a tortilla shell that you put into a baked dish and put eggs on it and cheese. And I put some spinach and some sausage and basil and garlic and a little bit of hot sauce, cilantro. So anyway, this is my pizza. And I'm going to cut it. Hopefully it will be easily to eat, like cut in 4 pieces. Basically, it's like a pizza. So let me cut it up. Well, it's a little mushy, but I think it's because I used more cheese than the lady that made it. Anyway, I'm going to eat this and have some breakfast, and I'll talk to you guys soon. This turned out delicious, and you're only using one. This is just a medium-sized flour tortilla, but I put a lot of stuff on it. So it cooked 350 for about, I'd say 18 to 20 minutes, depending on how much you put on it. If you don't put much on it, then it can be maybe 10, 12 minutes. But I like my eggs cooked. So that's what I did. Yeah, turned out good. Looking at the sunset. That's the view of my sunset tonight. Wow. Gorgeous time of night. Yes. Trinkets. My trinkets. These 2 little girls are spoiled and they eat their food. That's the food I make them. Put it in the blender so that their little old teeth can bite down on them. Yes, babies. All right, I'll let you eat in peace. It's so sad. Tell us about it, Lily. What? Tell Aunt Kathy.
She's been telling me.
Tell her how I abused you.
Oh, you poor thing.
I spank you.
Well, why don't you come over here and tell me
And I only
more?
give you cookies once in a blue moon.
Tell me more. Oh. Well, come here. That means you have to get down and come up here.
I see how you're acting, and everyone's gonna see how you are. Isn't that the cutest little stupid dog? She's not stupid. Kathy came to visit me today, you guys. Oh, stop. I know.
Show them my t-shirt.
This is a t-shirt from the days of the New York Renaissance Festival. What does it say what year that
It
is?
says 1993.
Yup, and she didn't wear it because it was real small.
So it's like new, but it's
It's a beautiful
it's
t-shirt.
old. What, 93? What is that? 20, 30 years?
93 to 2003 is 10. 2003 to
13 is
2020.
29 years.
Give me a break.
29 years. I can't believe it.
I can't either. Look how it's bright and pretty.
It's because it's been folded away.
There's Rosie sleeping.
And
Oh.
it was dirty, so I washed it. I'm going to wear that tomorrow.
Hold on a minute. Let me show you what I got. Rainy. Oops. Rainy. Thank you. Look at Rainy sent me. These are cool lipsticks. They're clear mood rings. They're like mood rings, but for lips. Let me see if I can open one. One-handed. Because they're real pretty. Check it out. Hold on. Do you see the flower in there? Yeah, they're clear. And he got it off my wish list. Thank you, Rainy. I love it.
One has a red flower, one has
Yeah,
a
the
yellow
other one's
flower.
got a yellow flower in it. And it's really pretty. It's the prettiest lipstick I've ever had. So thank you for sending that to me for my birthday. I'll be wearing it all the time. Anyway, back to visiting. So I'll talk to you guys soon. I hope you enjoy the videos that I put out. They're nothing much these days, but adventures are coming. Burr. Hi everyone. It is Friday. Yesterday, high of 80. Today, 44 with a wind chill. Yeah, cold. So I'm bundled up as much as I can be. I mean, I've got heavier coat, but I'm only gonna go to the grocery store for a few things. But I'm cold. It's crazy weather, you know? Such extremes. But I'm already at the store, so that's how fast it is. Let's see. I think I'll just park right over here. Okay. Running in. Burr.